What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making minestrone soup. This is packed with veggies and a ton of flavor and textures. It's just delicious. In a large pot, add in some olive oil and minced garlic. I love the smell of cooking garlic. For our veggies, we will need some potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and celery. Add a bit of veggie broth to your veggies and let them simmer and soften. Add in more broth to cover the rest of your veggies. While you wait for it to boil, add in some bay leaves, thyme, oregano, red pepper, black pepper, and salt to taste. Mix your spices into the soup and then add some tomato sauce and a small can of crushed tomatoes. I hate big chunks of tomatoes, so I'm only using half a can here. You can add more if you like it. I really don't like big chunks. Then add in some cannellini beans. I'm pouring this into a bigger pot because it's starting to spill over, and I did not plan this very well. I'm also adding in some more broth and tomato sauce. Bring your soup to a boil. Add in the pasta of your choice and let it boil according to the package. Finally, I'm finishing it off with some nutritional yeast and boom, delicious minestrone soup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes every week.